man fae God knows where. And the Urtun lan on a necht of snow rode the man fae God knows where. None as bade him stay or go, nor deemed him friend, nor damned him foe. But we stabled his big roan mare, for on Urtun lan were decent folk. And if he didn't speak, why then as spoke. And we shut to the fire burnt low. Then whiles we smoked, we watched him, fae his state for nance the glow. I nudged Joe Moore, you wouldn't dare, to ask him who he's for meeting there, and who far he has to go. But Joe wouldn't dare, nor Ulster-Scot, and he took no drink, neither cowl nor hot, this man fae God knows where. It was closing time and late forby, when Asians braved the air. I never saw worse, micht I leave or die, than the sleep that night that says I, you'll finish for stopping here. But it scrach a day through the gable pane, I watched them spur in the pelting rain, and I juked for his roving eye. By down Patrick Jail I was bound to fare, on a day I'll remember faith. For when I come to the prison square, the people are waiting in hundreds there. And you wouldn't hear neither stir nor breath, for the soldiers were standing grim and tall, round a scaffold built for nance the wall, and a man stepped out for death. I was brave and near to the edge of the throng, yet I knowed the face again, and I knowed the set, and I knowed the walk, and the sinewy strange up-country talk. For he spoke out recht and plain, and he bowed his head to the swinging rope, while I said, please God, 'tis dying hope, and amen, 'tis dying prayer, that the wrong would cease and right prevail, for the man that they hanged at Downpatrick Jail was the man fae God knows where.